Namaste, my dear children. Welcome to distance learning sessions through videos. We are learning addition and subtraction up to 9 in chapter number 4. Today, let us learn addition by drawing lines. Come on, let us begin. Addition by drawing lines. Example number 1. Add 3 and 5. Solution. Let us write down the given numbers one below the other with the plus sign indicating we are adding these numbers. After writing the given numbers one below the other, let us draw lines according to the given numbers. The first number is 3. So now let me draw 3 lines here. 1, 2, 3. Second number is 5 and I will draw 5 lines here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these lines are called standing lines. So we are using standing lines for addition here. After drawing the given number of lines, let us count all these lines to get the sum of these two numbers. Let me count now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The answer we get is 8. That means 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. So this can be written like this also. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. Now let us move to the next example. Example number 2. Add 2 and 4. The procedure is same. Solution. We will write 2 plus 4 one below the other, and then we will add these two numbers by drawing lines. First number is 2, I will draw 2 lines. Second number is 4, I will draw 4 lines here. 1, 2, 3, 4. After drawing lines, we will count all lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The answer is 6. This can be written like this also. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. Example number 3. Add 7 and 2. Solution. Seven plus 2. Let us draw lines, 7 lines here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the second number is 2. I will draw 2 lines. We will count now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The answer is 9, which is the sum of 7 and 2. Example number 4. Add 3 and 0. Solution. Three plus 0. So the first number is 3. I'll draw 3 lines. And the second number is 0. 0 represents nothing. So I will not draw any lines here. Therefore, if we count these lines, there are 1, 2, 3 lines. Therefore, 3 plus 0 is equal to 3. So we learned that adding 0 to any number will give us the same number. Example number 5. Add 0 and 9. Solution. Dear children, we know that adding 0 to any number or adding any number to 0 will give us the same number, or the value of 0, the value of the given number will not change when we add 0 to any number. Therefore, in such cases, no need to draw lines and count. Since 0 represents nothing, 0 plus 9 is just equal to 9. You may just write 9 even without drawing any lines. Now let us take some word problems. Example number 1. Ravi has 7 shirts. His uncle bought 2 new shirts for him. How many shirts did Ravi have in all? So, Ravi is a boy. He is having 7 shirts with him, and his uncle bought him 2 new shirts. So now we have to find how many shirts Ravi has in total. So solution for this problem is number of shirts Ravi has. Let us write down in words. Is equal to 7. Number of shirts uncle bought. Is equal to 2. Total number of shirts. To find this, we have to add 7 and 2. Let us do it now here. 7 plus 2. I will draw 7 lines here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the second number is 2. I will draw 2 lines here. Let us count all these lines now to get the sum of these two numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So answer is 9. Total number of shirts Ravi has is 9. So this is how you have to understand and solve the word problems. Let us take one more word problem. Example number 2. There are 4 yellow roses and 3 red roses in a garden. What is the total number of roses in that garden? So now let us find the solution for this. Solution. So the number of yellow roses. Number of yellow roses. Is equal to 4. There are 4 yellow roses. And the number of red roses. Is equal to 3. There are 3 red roses. Now the total number of roses in the garden. Total number of roses. We have to find this. To find, we will add 4 and 3. 4 plus 3. Let me draw 4 lines here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the second number is 3. I will draw 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. Counting all these numbers together now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is the answer. Therefore, total number of roses in that garden is equal to 7. So like this you have to understand the given word problem and then you have to solve it as shown here. A number as the sum of two numbers. So any number can be expressed as sum of two numbers. Let us take few examples to understand that. 2. The number 2 can be expressed as sum of two different numbers. Let us see how it can be expressed as sum of two numbers. So 2 can be written as 1 plus 1 or 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 or 2 can be written as 2 plus 0 or 0 plus 2. So therefore, the number 2 can be written as the sum of two numbers as shown here. So 2 can have 3 addition statements. And the number 3 can be expressed as sum of two other numbers. So 3 may be written as 0 plus 3 or 3 plus 0, or we can add 2 and 1 to get 3. So 2 plus 1 or 1 plus 2. Like this, 3 can be expressed in different ways as sum of two numbers. Number 4. The number 4 can be expressed as 4 plus 0 as shown here, or 0 plus 4. 0 plus 4 is equal to 4. Or it can be written as 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 is also 4. Or 1 plus 3 or 2 plus 2. So like this, a given number can be written as sum of two numbers. Similarly, 5. So 5 may be written as 5 plus 0 or 0 plus 5, or we can write it as 1 plus 4 or 4 plus 1 is here, 4 plus 1 is 5, or 1 plus 4 is also 5, 2 plus 3 is 5, or 3 plus 2 is also 5. Like this, a given number can be expressed or written as sum of two numbers. So here if you see the number of ways 5 can be expressed as sum of two numbers is, let us count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means the number 5 can be written as sum of two numbers in 6 different ways. So therefore, any given number can be expressed as sum of two numbers. So those addition statement will be number of addition statements will be one more than the given number. If we are writing the number 5 as sum of two numbers, then there will be 6 ways of writing 5 as sum of two numbers. Or if you wish to write the addition statements for number 4 as we have seen in the earlier case. So for number 4, how many statements we can write? Let us count from this end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 4 can be written as sum of two numbers in 5 different ways. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned new things. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye children.